we stop panicking about leaving our starter behind when we're going on a vacation? Hi, I'm Annette, micro baker in Chicago and owner of Dough My Goodness Bakery, and I'm here to help you simplify sourdough. Well, I'm headed out on a trip for about 10 days. It's my first real vacation since I opened my own business earlier last year, and I am honestly so excited. But I'm also a little nervous because Jane Doe hasn't seen the inside of a refrigerator for years. So leaving her behind in this situation is a little nerve-wracking for both of us. So I'm gonna do a little experiment that hopefully will help me to answer a question that I get from viewers all the time. So I'm gonna put 4 setups to the test so that I can see which one comes back the fastest and the strongest soonest after I come home. So I am going to experiment to get that answer for you. And honestly, for me too. So one starter is going to go into my refrigerator, which I keep at about 38 degrees Fahrenheit. I fed this one a 1:10:10 ratio. It was 2 grams of starter, 20 grams of flour, 20 grams of water. This one will stay in the refrigerator the entire time I'm gone. I'm going to test 2 starters that are going to go into my sourdough home. Here, let me show you. I don't know if you can see the screen that well, but I'm going to set the sourdough home to 57 degrees Fahrenheit while I'm away. I'm going to put 2 starters in there. One is going to be my usual stiff starter feeding ratio, 1:25:15. And the other one's going to be a little bit stiffer. I put a little extra flour in this one to make this one 1:35:15. We'll see if that leaner feed matters at that temperature. Ooh, this one's noticeably stiffer. I kind of like it. This one, because it has so much more flour, it takes longer to hydrate. So just got to give it a minute. Okay, we're going to play a little bit of Tetris in here. Say night-night to the Jane Does. All 3 of those are going to be put to the test against my dehydrated Jane Doe. Fully dehydrated, she's already proven repeatedly that she can revive back to full strength in just 4 days. So for all of these starters, it's the same starting point and the same rules upon return. All the starters being chilled, I'm going to pull them out, let them come to room temp, and let them peak. I will resume refeeding them simultaneously while I'm also rehydrating dehydrated Jane Doe. You guys want to know my prediction? I think my standard feeding in the sourdough home is going to come back the fastest, only because it has the most active feed going in and it's in a temperature that it's not going to go fully dormant. I think the super stiff sourdough home starter and the dehydrated starter are going to come in somewhere in the middle. And I think that fridge starter is going to bring up the rear. I just think it'll take the longest to come back to full strength. Am I going to be right? I don't know. Follow along. Episode 2 will be when I return, and we'll get the first look at how everything responded. May the best woman win. Happy baking.